Good morning, it's March 29th, and I want to go over the market review for this upcoming week. And we're going to start with gold. You can see that this area, we've had multiple levels of resistance from the 180 all the way up to the daily, and it has held gold down. Now, I do expect it to come back up and probably test the ATR at 1202. In that area, I would actually analyze the volume to see if we're going to continue down or if they are going to gather enough buyers to break this area that has served as resistance. You can see back here, it came back to test these areas, actually came up and tested even the highest level here, could not break through it, and of course down it went. So I am expecting it to test the ATR, and then I would analyze the volume at that point. On crude, the next real level of support that we may have for price is down around 46.50 to 47.50. So if crude makes it down, and it looks like it's going to, if it makes it down to these areas, these are the areas that I would be analyzing the volume to see if we could get any type of retracement on crude. Next, we're going to go to the Dow. You can see that we have a level up here, actually between 1762 to about 17,680. 17,680. This is the area that may actually act as resistance. You can see over here that it has previously. So what I would anticipate is at least testing this line, which is between 600 and 621, even possibly coming back here to test the 17,590 area. The ATR will pull up towards price, and I would expect to analyze volume there. Then, as it approaches these three blue lines here, I would again analyze volume to see if it's actually going to break through. Then on the ES 45-minute chart, you can see we've got two areas of resistance at 2058 really. So this is the area that I expect price to get to. Last time it got to that area, it could not break it. So this is going to be an important area this week as well. Right now, the way it looks, it's going to come down, at least test 2050, maybe even 2045 area before it continues up. On the 45-minute NASDAQ chart, you can see that it has tested this area. This is the second time it's tested this area. Really has not been able to break this area. So I would expect it to at least move down to this double area here, this represented by the two double blue lines, even possibly down to the ATR, which right now is at 4302. Once it tests this area, I would be analyzing volume to see if it will continue down or if sellers disperse and buyers take over. Now, over on the Aussie, you can see that we have went into a very serious congestion area. They've been unable to break out of it. So I would expect lower lows on the Aussie. Over on the British pound 45-minute chart, you can see we've been stuck in these areas where you've got resistance up above and you've got support down below. So the first thing I would look at is to see if this blue line in ATR and the green line support price to go up. That means that as it comes back to this area tonight, possibly in the morning, we would see that sellers just abandon the move and it would move up. Now, if sellers stepped in, it would probably go down to at least between 48.20 to 48.40, and then again you would analyze the volume. Over on the Euro 45-minute chart, I do think we will see a retest of 0875 to 0880, and then we would need to see the volume, whether the sellers abandon the move or continue into a downtrend. So that's the market review for March 29th. I hope you enjoyed it. Join us in our live trading room, which opens Tuesdays and Wednesdays at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time.